Welcome to Wildlife Acoustics. Let's take a close look at the Mini Micro Configurator desktop application. The Mini Micro Configurator is a free download from the Wildlife Acoustics website. Click on Resources, then Downloads. You do need to have a simple web account to access the Downloads page. Follow the links for the Songmeter, Mini, and Micro family of recorders. The Mini Micro Configurator runs under Mac, Windows, and Linux operating systems. I've pinned the application to the Windows taskbar. Click on the shortcut to launch the software. The Mini Micro Configurator opens as one simple window. The first thing to do is select the correct model of Songmeter Mini or Songmeter Micro from the menu in the upper left corner. The Mini Micro Configurator currently works with 6 different models of Songmeter recorders. When you choose a model of Songmeter, you will see all the settings which are available for that specific model. By default, the Mini Micro Configurator opens to display factory default settings for the selected recorder model. The first thing I see under the Settings section is a place to set the recorder name. If I leave this blank, the file names will include the unique serial number of the Songmeter recorder. If I enter a name here, it will be added to the recording file names. Here are the settings for time zone and location. There are 2 choices here. You can set the location and time zone offset if you know where you are going to place the Songmeter Mini or Micro recorder before you get there. You can also leave these settings empty and then update the location and time zone by pairing the recorder with the Songmeter Configurator app when you are at the deployment location. This does require that the Android or iOS device which is running the Songmeter Configurator app does have available GPS reception at the deployment site. I'll select a preset schedule. This schedule is designed to record half an hour on and off 24 hours per day. I'll modify the start time to sunrise and set the end time to sunset. Sunrise and sunset times are based on date, time, and location. If a Songmeter is deployed during a local time zone change, the WAV file timestamps will not follow that change. However, as long as the location, date, and time including the UTC offset are accurate at the start of deployment, the Songmeter schedule will continue to follow the actual sunrise and sunset through any local time zone change. You can see the calendar at the bottom has changed to reflect the schedule modification. This graphic view is very powerful to see exactly what will happen in the deployment. And now we get to the deployment scenario section. Here you can specify the size of the memory card which you will use for the deployment. The calendar will then show you what to expect from a set of fully charged batteries using the specified schedule and this memory card. I'll choose an 8 GB card and scroll down in the calendar. The color change indicates when the memory card will be full, and I see there will still be battery life available. I'll choose a much larger memory card size. Now you can see how long the deployment will last with this available memory space. This time the deployment does not stop because the memory card is full. The calendar shows that when the deployment stops, it will be because the batteries have run out of charge. If you choose a different Songmeter model which uses lithium-ion batteries, you can choose different battery configurations to see how they will affect deployment. Here is an example of a configuration which has been set up for a Songmeter Mini Bat 2, which is also equipped with the optional acoustic microphone. You can see the recording schedule, which alternates between ultrasonic bat detection and lower frequency continuous recording. Notice the color coding to show the different types of schedule blocks. The calendar is a reliable tool for checking a sophisticated recording schedule. Now that I have created a configuration, I'll save it to the desktop as a file. I'll name the file There are two ways to get the configuration file into the Songmeter Mini or Micro recorder. The configuration file can be saved directly to an SD memory card. I'll move the SD memory card to the Songmeter Mini BAT2 and power the recorder on. I'll tap the function button until the load LED is lit. I'll press and hold the function button, and that causes the Songmeter Mini BAT2 to load the configuration from the file. For the Songmeter Micro and Micro 2 models, pair the recorder with the Songmeter Configurator app. Tap on the Configurator icon and then go to the Utilities menu. Tap the command to load the configuration file from the SD micro card. The second option is to send the configuration file as an email attachment. Now I'll open my email attachment on my tablet. The tablet provides the option to send the configuration file to the Songmeter Configurator app. I'll do that. There is my saved configuration file. Next, I'll pair my Songmeter Micro 2 with the Songmeter Configurator app. I'll go to the configuration editor screen and tap on the load icon. This shows me any configuration files currently saved into the configuration library. I'll choose my new configuration file and load it to the Songmeter Micro 2. The Mini Micro Configurator can open a configuration file. This allows an existing configuration to be viewed, modified, and re-saved if needed. And here is something very useful. This is a WAV file which was created by a Songmeter Mini. Go to the File menu in the Mini Micro Configurator and choose Open. I'll navigate to the WAV file and select it. The Mini Micro Configurator does not provide any of the audio information from the WAV file. However, the WAV file does contain all the metadata which describes how the recorder was set up when the file was made. This allows us to check and see what the settings and schedule were on the Songmeter recorder at the time the file was created. Thank you for watching.